guys, so I'm doing an unboxing today for a snack surprise. Let's see what's inside this box. It's the first time I'm trying out this box, so I thought why not do an unboxing with you guys or for you guys to see. Yeah, I'll definitely do a taste test with you guys on camera, but I'm just showing you guys what's in the box first, and what the box looks like. I use my own money, by the way, for these boxes, and I know that they do PR boxes, but this is my money, and that's why I'm going to give you honest review. So we have a box filled with Italian stuff. I can see, yes, a box. It was so hard to open, but I'm really happy that it was properly secured. So it says Italy on here, snack surprise Italy, so I'm guessing everything is from Italy. And the thing about snack surprise, I wanted to try it, is because you get snacks from all over the world, different countries and stuff like that, and it looks really good, and I like snacks. So yeah, they tell you about Italy. Oh, this is really nice. I'm going to be reading this in a second, just showing you guys what is in the leaflet. Tells you what's in here. I don't really want to see too much, so let's go ahead and look, and then I'll be tasting with you guys in a second. So first off, I see this. It says Ringo. I hope I'm saying that right. Biscotti. It says Biscotti. So this biscuit looks really good. I can't wait to try it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying this one. Hopefully the kids don't eat it all off. The next one looks like a brioche with chocolate inside. Let me check the expiry date. The dates are good. So we got that. Let's take this leaflet out for a bit. What's next? Oh, this looks good. What is that? That looks like some cake with some cream inside. Oh, I like that. I can't wait to try these. So I'm so excited. This looks like a pack of snacks. I don't know. It looks like some bite-sized stuff. I'll find out when I look in the leaflet with you guys when I'm trying. Oh, Pepsi in a can. Pepsi twist with a little bit of lemon. I see. I also see this look like some biscotti or bread or stuff. Oh, crostinis. So these look like chili crostinis. Toasted croutons. Yes. These look like chili flavored. What's next? This look like some onion rings, snacks, a Mika snack. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely try all of these with you guys. What's next? We have Duplo. I hope I'm saying that right. Duplo chocolate. Looks like a chocolate, hazelnut chocolate. This actually looks like, if you're in the UK, it looks like, what is it? I can't remember it. What's the name? It's not a dime. Oh my god. I know it. It's on the tip of my tongue. When I'm eating it, I'll let you guys know. I can't remember the name right now. Oh, this looks good. Chopper Chops. Coco Bianco. I hope I'm saying that right. It's like a chocolate. Oh, Chopper Chops and chocolate and sweet probably together. I'm not sure. Definitely going to be trying that. Is this mint? Not sure what this is. Galantine. I would look. Oh, it says something about latte. So I'm gonna see what this is when I'm eating it. I see couple sweets here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying these. I love sweets. And lastly, in the box, I see a hazelnut. It looks like wafers, so I love wafers. Chocolate wafers are always nice. So I'm definitely going to be trying all of these out with you guys in a second. So let's jump right into eating. So it tells you about Italy, which is good. Give you some facts about Italy. I like that. So, what you're eating, the food, the culture, all of that. It tells you what comes in the mini box. Okay, so you get all of this in the mini box. Just these one on this page. Okay, and if you get the original box, which I got, you get the contents of the mini box plus what's coming in the original box. So you get all of this, which I just got these 2 pages together, this makes up the original box. Okay, and then if you get the premium box, you get the contents of the mini box, the original box, and everything else on these 2 pages, which I think is really, really good. So check out their website. I'll make sure I put a link for you guys if you want to sign up or even just try them out or gift it to somebody. You get all of these snacks for a good price. Yeah, and they're different parts of the country, of the world. So yeah, this is definitely a good thing if you like trying out new things, new snacks, and just supporting countries and just getting to know countries around the world. And I like it. I like it a lot. But I don't know, I might try out the premium box one day. I'm not sure. It looks like you get lots of snacks. But for now, I will stick to my original box. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying out these right now because I'm getting super hungry looking at these food, and to be honest, they all look good. Actually, the one that was without packaging, that one there, this baby right there, it is called square shaped focaccia or focaccia focaccia bites flavored with ketchup or bacon. I opened it to taste what it was, and it tastes like bacon, so I got the bacon flavored one, and it is really, really tempting. So yeah, let's jump right into eating because I can't talk anymore. I'm getting hungry. I've got the box. I've opened this one. This is Amika's snack. They're like round shaped. These ones are a ring of corn which promises goodness. This snack is a tiny treat for all pizza lovers. It's got like an onion ring kind of flavor to it, or tomato kind of flavor. Alright, next I'm gonna try Crostini. These are crunchy bite-sized pieces of Italian toast. I got paprika and what is it? These are good. Paprika flavor. I like these, they're crunchy. I tried these ones earlier. These are the square shaped ketchup flavor or bacon flavor, and I've got the bacon. These are really strong bacon flavored. I really like those as well. I've got a drink. Pepsi Twist. In lemon. I like this one. I'm definitely gonna drink that one. Alright. Earlier I opened these sweets to try one. They're not sour, but they do have like sugar or some coating of sugar or something like that on the outside. These are like, wait, let me see. Hold on. They are double gummy candy covered with sour sugar, with a fruit flavor, and it's loved by children, teens, and adults. This was good. I had 2 of those, so I'll be eating one by myself. The rest can go to the kids. Oh yeah, I've opened this as well earlier because I had to. These are chopper chops or chopper cups. These are chocolate, white chocolate. Chopper chops cocoa. The tastiest and most colourful white chocolate snack filled with sugared almonds. So it's got like little bits of sweets inside.
Mmm. So nice and crunchy. And I opened these earlier. These are Galentine or Galentine. And they're little milk flavored sweets. I'm not going to eat this one because they're very milky. They look like little pills or something. Super milky, but I've already eaten this milk here. So I don't want to eat too much milk, but it's all really, really flavorful. Okay, this one's nice. I really like this though. And those Dubby gummy bears, they're still going in my mouth too. So far, that is box really, really good. Right, I want to try this chocolate croissant. Looks like this. After I finish eating this, I'll just take a little piece. Okay, it's got lots of chocolate. Wow, Italian food is nice. Wow, I'm not surprised, but everything tastes good so far. I'm loving this snack box. Definitely, I definitely recommend it. Right, so next I'm trying this, and this is the moon cake. This is a real treat. Outside we have a soft sponge and inside a creamy cocoa and chocolate filling. Delicious. Oh, this looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I should eat this, but it looks so cute. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Oh wow. This one is so good. Oh my gosh. My nose is itching, but this is oh, the filling is amazing. This is I have to eat all of it. The moon cake is my favorite. Wow. The croissant is nice, but the moon cake is it is so moist. Brilliant. And the filling is so soft and gooey and sweet and just oh yeah. That's definitely a win. Let's try this one and the wafer after. This is like the Bueno. I was trying to remember the name. The Kinder Bueno. Let's see. It looks like this is a big one actually. I'm just gonna take one. Woo. Wow. This one is better than the Kinder Bueno. Okay. I want more. That was good. I need another one. I'll leave one for my son. Oh. Let's try Biscotti. Then the wafer. Oh, good. I want to get some of those. I don't know how I'm going to get them. That is my second favorite, definitely. Oh, look at these little cookies. They're breaking apart though. Wow. I'm gonna be. I need a cup of tea. This is good though. Wow. What is this? Ringo. Perfect size round crisp biscuits with a smooth vanilla center. Wow. A great snack for both adults and kids. I agree with that one. It's so cute. I'm gonna eat those right now. And lastly, we're gonna have this wafer. This is a hazelnut wafer. Woo! Looks like that. Oh, did I break it or just fell apart? Or you just, oh yeah, it's meant to snap apart, I think. This is chocolate overload, but oh my god. Another one. Guys. Oh my god. We've got a puzzle as well. Light crispy wafers with a tender melting hazelnut creamy filling and fine milk chocolate center or covering. Oh my god. Everything is just like on point. I love the fact that it comes with a drink as well, because we're gonna need it, because I'm just loving them. I'm like everything for everybody. There's something different for everyone here, so I really love it. I definitely recommend you guys try this box out if you haven't. I'm gonna be snacking right now. Thank you so much to Snackbox for providing boxes like this where we can try out different things from all over the world. As I said, I paid for this myself. It is not sponsored. This is my honest first review, first impressions, and I really love it so far. So look out for more reviews and definitely more unboxings. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy myself. So hope you guys enjoy my video and I'd love to see you here again. Bye guys.